So good morning, and we're doing a mock test for 8:20 test for Hendon Driving Test Center. So the driving test center is closed today, so we have started our route from the Tesco nearby. So we just think that we have turned around from there, and from
You
the,
will arrive
this is
at
the
your
road we're gonna
destination
go
at
out from here
9:10.
basically. Okay, so we're starting our route from here itself. SatNav is going to give you the guidance for throughout the test route, and I'll be marking you, and we will be talk about your result at the end. Okay?
Yeah.
Whenever you're ready, let's go. Straight ahead, please.
Turn left, Graham Park Way. After 200 yards, go around the roundabout and take the 4th exit, Graham Park Way, then turn left.
So you're turning around this roundabout and come back on that road, please.
Go around the roundabout and take the 4th exit, then turn left.
And we take this next road on the left.
Turn left, Bristol Avenue.
Pull up on the left side somewhere safe, please. Pull up on the left side somewhere safe, please.
After 200 yards, go right on the roundabout and take the second exit, Montrose Avenue, then sharp left, Watling Avenue.
Drive on when you're ready.
Go right on the roundabout and take the second exit, Montrose Avenue, then sharp left, Watling Avenue. After 200 yards, sharp left, Watling Avenue. Sharp left.
Pull up on the left hand side behind the last car here. Don't worry about that blocking of the driveway or the yellow line. Just leave a car space between you and the car behind you. That's it. Thank you. That's it. Anyway, drive on when you're ready.
After 200 yards, turn right, Barnfield Road, then turn right. Turn right, then turn right. Turn right, back lane, then turn around when possible.
It's there. This one here.
turn around when possible, then, at the end of the road, turn right.
Go at the end of this road and follow the marking, and if you can show me how you can do the forward bay parking, please. You can pick and choose your choice of the bay, right or the left. Thank you. And you can drive on when you're ready and take us out of the car park, please. Need to reverse it out first, please. Very much.
After 400 yards, turn around when possible.
And we take this first left here for lead. This one here. Carry on, and end of the road, turn right and follow the sat nav, please.
At the end of the road, turn right, Barnfield Road. Turn right. At the end of the road, turn left, A5, turn to Broadway, then take the second right. Turn left, then take the second right. After 100 yards, turn right, Stab Lane, then take the third right. Turn right, Stab Lane, then take the third right. After 200 yards, turn right, Holyrood Gardens.
So we're taking this next right, please.
Turn right. After 200 yards, go left on the roundabout and take the first exit, Beverly Drive. Go left on the roundabout and take the first exit.
If you can pull up on the left in front of this white van, just here, please. Just here. That's okay, thank you. Drive on when you're ready.
At the end of the road, turn left, A5, the Hyde, then turn right. Turn left, then turn right.
Then turn right.
Turn right, Montrose Avenue. After 200 yards, turn right, Booth Road. Turn right.
That's the next available road on the right.
At the end of the road, turn left, Collindale Avenue, then cross the roundabout and take the second exit, Graham Park Way. Turn left, then cross the roundabout and take the second exit. Cross the roundabout and take the second exit, Graham Park Way, then take the second right.
Straight ahead, yeah?
After 200 yards, turn right, Heritage Avenue, then go left on the roundabout and take the first exit, Boulevard Drive. Turn right, then go left on the roundabout and take the first exit. Go left on the roundabout and take the first exit, Boulevard Drive.
Okay, but we will not turning left. We will be turning around here because the road is closed on the left side.
Yeah.
So just turn around and come back here, please. can reverse park in this one of the left side of the bay, please. Okay, so that's the end of the test. Good exam. Okay, right. So that's the end of the test. What you think? Pass, fail?
Pass.
So you think you have passed, and you think that you have not made any mistakes.
I think I don't any major mistake.
Okay, so what minor mistake you think you have made?
The first of the signaling. Mm,
Where is the signaling mistake you think you made?
when I start my journey on the road.
So you didn't give a signal.
Yeah, first time.
Okay. Is that what you think is your mistake?
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else? No? Alright, so I have recorded few faults, and we're gonna go through in the event of they have occurred. Whatever. So the very first one, we started from here itself, and you pointed out that I have not given a signal.
Yeah.
So signal, there was nobody around us, first of all. So technically signal is not the actual fault there. The actual fault there is, regardless, nobody around here. But look at this is an apartment area, lots of shops around here.
Yeah.
What is the most important thing you need to do before you moving off?
We need to check around.
What do we call it? 6-point check, isn't it?
6-point check, yeah.
So we look 360 around our vehicle to see make that nobody's around us. Then we should move off.
Yeah.
Do you think so? You did that observation? So what you did is, and you stopped at the mirror, the wing mirror. You just need to do this.
Yeah.
You didn't do it. So we call it moving off safety. Okay, so you didn't do it. Nobody's really around their time. I give you driving fault there. One off occasion, no issue. Then you're moving out from this car park. I mean this estate building. Then you're turning left.
Yeah.
And then you're going around the roundabout and you're coming back, fourth exit.
Yeah.
When you're taking any exit, where your car supposed to be positioned?
Left.
Where was you?
I think center.
Well, if you are in the center, I would be still more happy. It was a bit more on the right than a center. Then slowly after moving on the left hand side. But now this time when you're moving on the left side, you're not watching the mirror, sir. Now that is, for me, is alarming. That you're now changing your direction, but you're not paying any attention on the left mirror to see whether somebody's there or not, because you left so much space there. Literally somebody can, like proper big car can come fit in there, but at least biker, cyclist can easily get there.
Yeah.
So we call use of mirror when you're changing your direction. Okay, so but ideally what you should be doing is what you just said, that is So when you pass the first and the second exit,
Yeah.
so from the second to third exit, you need to start going in a middle, center.
Center.
And by
yeah.
the time you reach to the third, you should be on the left hand side
Mm.
and then give a left signal and you get it out. Okay?
Yeah.
Now that's done, no issue. Then after you turn left and then you go on all the way on that road, which is this one.
Mm.
Yeah. Sorry, where is it? Here. This one, Lawrence Avenue. Then you're moving, and then I said just before the Montrose Avenue junction, I would say pull up on the left hand side somewhere safe, please. It was completely nice, safe places there, and he was not trying to pull up. Why? You didn't heard me. The instruction.
I heard you, but I think I blocked someone because the road is.
It's completely nice parking bay. How you gonna go? How you think that you're gonna go block somebody? No way.
Mhm.
There was complete nice parking bay. Not even yellow line or something. It's parking bay. It was perfect place to be like stop. Okay, but then I said pull up on the left, and then you just did all of a sudden. Well, just you started and then you signal.
Yeah.
Yeah, so signal was required before then that. All right, no issue, no one's around us, that's fine. You moved in there in the parking bay, stopped, and now I said drive one when you're ready. Again the same issue, no 360. You just did this and that and you moved off.
Yeah.
You didn't look over shoulder. So now this is a concern for me because now there's a car coming behind you. Yeah, so I have to give you fail there
Mhm.
because you didn't look and there is a car there.
Yeah.
Yes, the car is there. All right, you didn't make them slow down, nothing issue that, but this will be now being serious because you did one same fault before,
Yeah.
and now the second time
Second time.
is like the examiner goes like, I don't think so. You know what is the moving of safety.
Mhm.
Okay, so if you didn't move, that's a different thing, but you did move. All right, so now this one here is a little bit tricky. Yeah? If you did check and move, then it's fine because the car was not really very close. It was a
Yeah.
little bit far.
Mhm.
Yeah, so you can easily move off. Yeah, but now this time is you not looking over the shoulder, just looking in the mirror,
Mirror,
and
yeah.
you're moving, means it's failed because it's a completely different angle way of thinking that you're not aware that somebody is even coming.
Mhm.
Yeah, so that is happening 5 minutes and 35 seconds. Now same road. Yeah, 5 minutes and 57 seconds. Just at the end of the road, you had a mini roundabout, and you're turning right on that mini roundabout. Do you remember that? Just first moving, pull up, and then you move off. There's a mini
Yeah.
roundabout, and you turn right. Yeah. So you're turning right on the mini roundabout. What do you think so that roundabout type is? Is it closed junction or is it open junction? Or you don't know?
No idea.
Okay. Do you know what is open and closed, by the way? Okay. So open junction means from 6 to 7 car length, you can see from the right hand side who is coming or not.
Mm.
Or closed junction means even if you reach to the junction, yeah, or sometime just close enough to the junction, 1 or 2 car length, and you can't barely see something on the right side who is coming.
Mm.
Yeah, so that's we call it closed junction.
Mhm.
So what do you now think that was that open junction or a closed junction? Can you see things behind can you see things on the right side well before, or you can't see?
I can't see.
Okay, so the judgment was wrong then. Okay, you can see. We will go back to the same road and we'll see. You can see pretty much very long time ago, like at least 4, 5, 6 car length before that what's happening on the right side. So at that particular occasion, you came, then there was 2 car coming from the right.
Mm.
So you don't have to stop completely there. You can
Okay.
just slowly roll over to the giveaway line.
Mhm.
Yeah, and when the second car passed, you would have just gone.
Okay.
Whereas you just had complete stop, then you check, then you now moving off. So we call it judgment on crossing.
Okay.
So you should have judged that road well before in a good way, so that the car behind you does not need to brake. Yeah,
Yeah.
it would have gone completely nicely, easily. So planning,
Yeah.
okay, sir. But it's called judgment on crossing. Then at 13 minute and 10 second, this is called we call it planning. Okay, now this is where you are coming out from the car park.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's not fail, but I would like to discuss this. When you're going inside the car park, was it a two-way road or a one-way road?
One way. Inside.
No, when you're going inside the car park,
Two way.
two-way.
Yeah.
So where you supposed to keep the car?
Left side.
So you were driving in the middle.
Middle. Yeah.
Yeah, you should be a bit more on the left. All right, no issue, no car there. But don't give them a chance for marking down.
Yeah.
So you be on the left side, go down, and then we did the maneuver. After maneuver, he was about to fail on the maneuver as well, because when you are reversing now, you was reversing towards the traffic,
Yeah.
and then you quickly realize, and then you turn the wheel. That's a winning shot. Yeah. That's the turn around the game. So you now you're doing another turn, and then you follow the sign. Okay, if you did face completely on this way, you would have failed that response to the road marking.
Yeah.
Okay, but because examiner won't tell you about this, they are marking you on this one. Okay, so then after you come back on the from the traffic light, and then you turn right,
Yeah.
and then end of the road, the sat nav says end of the road, you're turning left, and then second right. So you know that you need to turn right. So it's not fail, but worth asking is because planning. So the next road you're turning right. So when you take this left turn, you have 3 lane. Which is the best lane to approach with?
Right.
The very right one.
Yeah. Very right.
So if you be on the right side of the lane from the beginning, it will save you mirror observation, lane changing stuff later on. Okay, it's just the advisory there. Then a 17 minute and 55 second. Now what happened here is, so you turn this right turn from the traffic light,
Yeah.
then you go all the way wrong. One occasion you try to give a signal left. I don't know why. The road is just bent to the left, but then I ask you to cancel it. If you do signal there and there is a car behind, what do you think the car will think?
I'll just park left side.
So you go parking there or going in your house. Yeah. So the road marking is just the bend. Now anyway, so you just had a bend, then you turn right, and then roundabout turn left, first exit, and then you move towards the traffic light. You had a green light, 17 minute and 55 second. You had a green light. You're going inside the junction. Something coming from the left hand side. What was that?
The cycle.
The cyclist.
Yeah.
What are we doing? Nothing. You're just going in your motion. What if his friend's coming behind him?
I just little bit break down.
Did you?
Yeah.
Have a look at the video.
Bit,
A little bit.
Little bit.
It doesn't notice.
Yeah.
It doesn't look like that you brake. I was like, ooh. Yeah. And also, not only that, maybe I can see your brake. Your foot is on the brake. Maybe I can give you like minor mistake for that. That's not a problem. But your view, you're looking still. What if there's another cyclist is moving back behind him? Yeah. So when you see one thing is happening, have a look. Is there somebody also there doing same mistake? Yeah. That guy was clearly breaching the law. He's supposed to stop for the red light. Doesn't matter he's a cyclist or what. But he did not. He moved in. So we need to require now a little bit response here. Okay. So he did make mistake. So you need to respond to other road user that slow down. Yeah. Don't need to go there. Maybe if you need to stop, you can stop, because this is an emergency situation kind of.
Yeah.
But I'm not happy with that. Okay. I mean, I don't know how they take you on the test for this location. That's why I said this for me is fail. Okay. Then at 21 minute and 39 second, this turning right, which we already discussed. Yeah, I paused the video there and we took another turnaround there, the one-way street. But you correctly pointed out by yourself that Sanket, I didn't know even that there is a one-way street.
Yeah.
Responds to the signs
Sign.
again. Yeah. So, in general, the driving is pretty much very good. Yeah.
Mhm.
But the problem is general, like planning.
Yeah.
So you need to plan the road ahead. Awareness. Now, 8:20, isn't it? So 8:20, the area would be a little bit busier than what you just see, but the route will be fixed. So either this one or the other one. There is another one more route. So
Mhm.
the route will be fixed, but the area is a bit more like busy.
Yeah.
Okay, people will be moving around, so you got to be very careful for your plannings. Okay, today is Sunday. The road is pretty much clear at the moment,
Mhm.
but we still had mistakes.
Yeah.
Okay, so the mistakes is most common is over the shoulder looking when you
Mhm.
pull over. After that, we did 3 more pull over. You did look around,
Yeah.
but 2 of them you didn't, and one occasion there was a car, so that's why it's failed.
Mhm.
So, but I'm happy with the performance. But you just need to be more accurate on your planning. All right, sir.
Yeah.
All right, let's have a look at that closed junction, open junction thingy.
Yeah.
All right.